and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to see what I got in my Tarte Build Your Own Custom Kit. I'm very excited to get into this video. Actually, I'm not like that excited because I've obviously already done the gig, and I have to say I wasn't impressed completely with my bag picks, if I'm being completely honest, which I will get to that whenever I get to the end of the video. You'll see I'm gonna do a full face try-on of Tarte products. I have several. I'm doing literally everything Tarte on my face with what I have. Unfortunately, I don't have a highlighter or a blush. I've had both in the past, but I don't have them anymore. But other than that, I did a full face of Tarte products. So if you guys are interested to see what I got, then definitely keep on watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you're into these types of videos for me. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button because I have noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already a viewer, if you would do me the honor and hit the subscribe button, it would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. So right before we get started, I do want to mention that I have a JEFFREE Star giveaway going on right now. So if that is something you're interested in entering, then definitely go check it out. A link will be in the description. So this was for 48 hours only. They do this like 2 or 3 times a year, but I think it's 2 times a year. So this is like the fall winter time sale that they did, or kit that they did. So this is 7 full-sized items for only $63 with a 200 plus value. Now, I've always been really jealous of people that have done these. I don't know why I've never, like, you know, bit the bullet and did them until right now, but I did. And again, I'm a little disappointed. I don't think I got my money's worth for what I'm gonna be using, but yeah, so let's go ahead and talk about what I got. So here we go. I'm gonna show you really quick everything that I got in my kit, and we're gonna get this party started so I can stop looking like this. Okay, so it comes wrapped up all nice and beautiful. So I want to show you the bag that I picked first, which is this one. Honestly, all the other bags that you can choose from, I was just like, I don't really care for them. And this one I thought was like the most mature and like cute. And I do plan on like giving this to my mom or something, and she can store her beauty products in there. But I do like the texture of it, and I think that this bag is super cute, pretty roomy whenever you pop the bottom out. So I really like the bag. The bag is cool. I'll just set it back here. So the foundation I picked was the Tarte Face Tape Foundation. So I got mine in the shade 12 in Fair Neutral. Fingers crossed that it's going to work for me, but I'm pretty sure that it is. And I've heard that this is like a really good foundation, so I don't know. I'm really hoping that this is going to be good. Next product that I got is actually this foundation brush. This is the Found Sealer Foundation Brush, and I just really wanted to try it. I think mostly because I didn't care about any of the other options, and the fact that I wanted another foundation brush, and I thought this one was like so stinking cute. Like the little leaves. Oh, I love it. Okay, this definitely feels pretty dense, something that I know I am going to like, so excited about this brush. Then next I chose the Hydro Sealer, which is the same like theme, as you can see, as one of the mascaras that I'm going to be using today. This is like the C collection. I'm not really sure. I don't keep too much up with Tarte, but I got it also in the 12 in Fair Neutral shade. So I think it's going to be like the same color as this, except for it looks a little bit darker. No, it looks a little lighter. Okay, so that's cool. I like the shape of this. I do have Shape Tape. I love that one. That was my favorite, but we're gonna try this one out. And then for like the mascara section, I didn't want any of the mascaras because I had already owned like all of the mascaras that were in there except for maybe one. So I chose this because I really wanted this eyelash curler. Now I'm going to actually use the Big Ego mascara that I already have and keep the mini unopened so I can use that for like a future giveaway. So I'm pretty freaking excited because I really wanted this eyelash curler so much. I've been using the one from Revlon since literally like 2012. So I wanted a new one because the one I got recently from IPSY is like a MLM company, and y'all know I am very passionate about the anti-MLM, so now I can actually use one that I don't feel bad about using. Wow, this guy really spreads open, doesn't he? Okay, so Yeah, I'm so excited. The little sparkles are so cute. Also, I do apologize if my lighting is a little not that bright. I broke my lighting a couple of days ago. It just kind of went, you know, kind of like, you know, Looney Tunes, and it landed right on my blood sugar palette and my bulb broke, so I haven't gotten a new bulb yet. Look at the little baby. Next up, the Big Ego Sketch and Set Brow Pencil and Tinted Gel, which I'm so excited about. I got mine in Ash Blonde, which is for platinum, cool blonde, and gray hair. Very excited to try this one out. So that's what the product looks like. We'll go more in depth when we get to it. Okay, and that is everything besides the lipstick that I picked out. I got Bare Bud. Now, I've had several Tarte lipsticks. I think they're pretty good. I just don't care much for the liquid lipsticks that they have. So I got this one. It's in like a cardboard packaging, but it's like really cute and I liked the color. Really excited about this. So we're gonna go ahead and start doing the full face of Tarte makeup. So if you guys are excited, then get excited because it's happening. Okay, so let's start out with the base tape primer. Okay, now for the foundation, I'm very, very excited about. So I think I'm just going to drop it on my face and then use the brush. Did I use too much? Maybe, but we'll see. Hopefully this brush is good. We'll see. Definitely a little light, if I do say so myself. Oh my god! This is not the same! Why do I look like Mrs. Doubtfire? It didn't... I feel defeated. What am I gonna do? Oh no! What does Jamie Lee Curtis say? I look like the Crypt Keeper? Crap! You didn't see that. So this was a fail. So I know this found sealer is going to look, or hydro sealer is going to look fine because it's definitely going to be on the light side, but it doesn't seem that light. Or am I literally not as freaking pale as I thought I was? I don't know, but let's try the concealer. I wouldn't say the concealer is blending into the skin like super well because I can see where I've like done this little number and I can see the actual streaks of it going, so I have to like pat it in. But it's definitely more of a light coverage, probably best for like a tinted moisturizer or something, but it definitely is nothing like the Tarte Shape Tape, if I do say so myself, which is my ride or die. I mean, it doesn't look terrible, so that's good. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with the Shape Tape setting powder. I have it in translucent. It comes with this little powder puff. I've actually never tried it, so let's take the actual packaging off so we can try it for the first time. All right, I'm gonna try it with this powder puff and see like what the deal is, but this looks really yellow. It looks so yellow. What is up with that? Okay, wish me luck. I think I need more. Hold on. Darling, I can't see. You know what? The powder doesn't actually look that bad. I really like how it set everything. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, so I'm gonna go into this palette and use the bronzer shade right here and use that to bronze the skin. I know this is gonna be like really dark, so I'm gonna try my best not to mess it up. I don't have any blushes. I used to own 4 of the single blushes that they have, and I've had a single Amazonian clay bronzer, but I don't have them anymore, so I won't be doing an actual blush. So I just have to work with this palette, but this is definitely way too dark for me. Yikes. But we're gonna try and make it work. Halloween was last week. Oh my god. What have I done? What have I done? Thank God I'm not going out in public, because girl be looking ratchet. Okay? I knew I should have just went with like a normal bronzer, because this one is not it. not it. I'm actually gonna take some of this powder and try and lighten this up some because it's a little dark, so we're gonna try and lighten it up. Woo. Fingers crossed, y'all, for this eyebrow pencil. So this side, we got the pencil. This side. Okay. Am I supposed? Son of a bitch. That's how you do it. Got it. Great. All right, let's try these brows and let's see if this is gonna work. Because so far, I'm not having a good time. Bad. Now let's check out this tinted gel and see what the deal is with this. I've never tried a tinted gel, so fingers crossed for me. Huh. Interesting. You know, I wouldn't mind trying this again and just using the tinted brow gel and seeing like what the deal. Oh, there's an actual like turn thing, a turn signal on here. That's funny. I wouldn't actually mind trying this out without the stick and just doing the like tinted gel. I think that would be pretty cool. I want to go ahead and put this lipstick on my lips because they're looking a little ratchet. So we're gonna put this color on the lips and fingers crossed for me. It smells like peppermint. This definitely, I think it's like a tinted lip balm or something because it's pepperminty. It's definitely not like lipstick formula. It says Glide and Go Buttery Lipstick. It's definitely buttery, but it feels like a sheer formula, just really opaque. But it doesn't feel like I'm wearing a lipstick, if that makes any sense. It feels like I just put chapstick on my lips. Kind of weird, but whatever. I'm digging it. Really quick, I'm gonna go in with these eyeshadow shades to complete the Tarte look. So give me just a sec and I'm going to just go through and do Tarte on my eyes. You know, I don't like this palette either. Not my favorite. Wow, Tarte products kind of are just not my favorite. I'm just gonna say it right now. They're not my favorite. You know, I was gonna go with my Tarte eyeliner, which I do love, but since I am just gonna wash this off when I'm done, I'm just going to avoid the hassle of having really dark black eyes after I wash my face. So we're just gonna go ahead and curl the lashes and do the mascara. Okay, so final thoughts on my Tarte Build Your Own kit. Now, out of 5 stars, I would have to say I give it 3 out of 5. And I'm not just saying that because I got the wrong shade, but because it wasn't like the best foundation I've ever tried. You know what I'm saying? Like, I would not buy this again after seeing like how kind of streaky it was on my face. It wasn't too bad, but it was a little streaky. I just forgot to mention it in the video. And then when I added my Charlotte Tilbury, it kind of looked a whole lot better. So I'll be mixing this with my other ones to get all of my full use out of it. So there's that. This concealer, definitely super light coverage. I could still see like my dark circles. I don't know if you can see them now, but it's definitely something I would say would go great if you have like a tinted moisturizer. That's the kind of coverage I think if it's like that you want, like really light coverage, but who wants a light coverage concealer, right? Right. So concealer was kind of a dud for me. The brush, however, I would have to say it was an okay brush. I had really no problems with it, so I'll definitely be using this in the future. Eyelash curlers, they were bomb. I mean, they curled the lashes and they look super cute. So this I'm very happy to have. This lipstick is definitely different than anything else I've tried. I'm not hating the lipstick. Like, I do like it on my lips. I do like the smell of peppermint and how it feels like it's like a chapstick on my lips, but it's a buttery lipstick. But I do like it though. It's a very pretty wash of color, and this is definitely something I wouldn't mind keeping in my purse at all times and just like reapply throughout the day. It definitely doesn't feel long lasting. The mascara, which this one's mine, I'm going to keep the mini one there for like a giveaway or something. It's not my favorite mascara that I own. It's definitely not my favorite Tarte mascara. The Lights Camera Lashes and the Mane Eater are like the best Tarte mascaras that I've personally tried. So this one's not my favorite, so I already knew I wasn't really going to care for the mascara portion of the kit. I just mostly did it because it came with the curlers. which I really wanted. And I think the star of the show is actually this brow pencil. I actually really like it. And I like the tinted brow gel. I can't wait to try that again and see what it looks like on its own without the actual pencil. So I have to say my favorite thing was definitely the eyebrow pencil, the eyelash curlers, the brush, and then the lipstick. And then these two were just kind of like, you know, womp womp, which I wouldn't have paid 63 bucks just for this stuff, so I didn't get my money's worth in my personal opinion, because this is kind of like the star of the show, or at least it's supposed to be, but it didn't work out for me, which is really, really sad. I really thought that this shade was going to work for me, but then again, that's what I get for buying stuff online and not seeing it in person. But I think the biggest fail though was the concealer. I was not a fan. But anyways, I want to hear all your thoughts and opinions down below. Let me know if you guys got a kit, if you enjoyed everything that you got. Do you agree with what I have to say? Do you not agree? Let me know all your thoughts and opinions down below. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!